Hey, what's up guys? It's Supercell EAS here, along with
Eton ESP2100 EAS.
Recon in Arizona, also known as in Phoenix.
DM12, Savior and Supercell.
And then finally, EAS ESP2100 in Los Angeles County.
and what we are going to be unboxing today is a new weather radio. And we are going to be unboxing a replacement for one of my radios. You'll probably know why I unboxed it. But yeah, so I already got started on it, and it looks like it's coming out now. Alright, so we have ourselves another Eton ESP2100.
Should I get one?
If you want to get one, then you should get one while you can. There's only a few left.
Yeah. I only have $3. How much are they?
Way more than $3, I apologize. But yeah.
Oh, damn it.
Alright, let's get the box open.
Is this supposed to be family-friendly content or no? I just said we'd use it already.
I think we're good unless we eat. I think we're good as long as we don't go to the
Alright, so let's see. Inside the box, everything's gonna fall out the bottom here. Anyway, here is the owner's manual that it comes with. A limited warranty guide. The belt clip. The attachable antenna, which will soon unwrap. And then here is the actual radio itself with a protective cover on it.
Fingers crossed that this one works.
Yes, agreed. Because
And make sure
this is why I got the replacement. It's because this pineapple came with this here. So,
press all the buttons.
yeah. Alright, to ensure good operation with this weather radio, we are going to push all the buttons, turn all the knobs, and flick all the switches. But first,
Give it.
there's much better.
As any will
Just a second, this stop recording because this phone can't focus. Okay, there we go. Now we're going to resume the unboxing. Sorry. Alright, so here are all the buttons. Headphone jack. DC cable. Alright, so. Ouch. Here's the antenna. Ooh, maybe I should cut my fingernails. Anyway, I'm going to attach this antenna on. Alright, the antenna's attached. And now we are going to go get some batteries for it.
They didn't come with batteries.
Yeah. I don't think it comes with batteries. Alright, so this weather radio works in a very unique way. Oh, it takes three double A's. Okay. Well, on my part,
Two.
so do 3 AA batteries work with this radio.
I think you grabbed 2.
There it is.
Alright. See, okay, so the reason why, so the ESP2100s are risk for reward, and the reason is because most ESP21, oh a whole bunch of ESP2100s appear to not work if you put in the batteries or turn on the weather radio. Some have bad screens like this one does, and sometimes they just die out completely and never work again. So this is why the ESP2100 is a rare radio, but it's also risk for reward. So, all right, now we are going to go ahead and, all right, let's go ahead and insert the batteries in the order they're in. 1.
Fingers crossed, fingers crossed, fingers.
Cross your fingers. We'll hope this works. All right, now as I insert the third battery and close this cover, we will go see if this turns on with all the lights working. All right.
My fingers are crossed.
There we go. 3, 2, 1.
Fingers crossed.
Yep. So this is what I am getting.
Oh, hey, it works. Oh, nice.
We'll have to see if it will keep working. All right. So,
Perfect temperature at the perfect time.
see, this is why we push all the buttons, flick all the switches, and turn all the knobs to check to see if each and every weather radio is working. Because that's how we cross our fingers to make sure each weather radio works. So, now we are going to go ahead and go to the manual, and we're going to go ahead and set this up.
You do that before you turn on the radio.
Right, whatever. So now we are going to go to the display button. We're going to hold it down for 5 seconds. And it's going to show the alarm, which you do not need to set. Alarm 2. Time. The time is 6:55.
Yes.
6.
5, 5.
5.
305, baby.
2, 305 today.
Right.
2, 305 today.
Today. I don't remember the last.
Today is January 8th.
I don't remember the last time I got up in myself. Things like 8 years ago.
I got it recently.
Gosh darn it. What do you do?
8, 5, 8, 2, 300.
12 hour?
Today.
Alright, and the same code, does 999999. Which goes off for any code.
Keep it like that. Keep it like that.
Because that will go off for all counties within range. So we're going to keep it like that.
800, 5, 8, 2,
2, 300. Empire today.
And I'm assuming that's the complete setup. So, county 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And that's it. That is it for the Eton ESP2100. Let's hope that this keeps working forever and ever and ever. Alright, so you missed the setup portion. I apologize, but this is what it looks like.
Hey, it works. That's good.
Dang, it's so hot in here. I'm gonna open the window.
Really,
Gosh
69
darn it.
degrees right when you
Antonio, look up to do 74,200, so be ready for that one.
Yeah.
I'm about to do 74,200 unboxing, be ready.
Alright, and that concludes the unboxing of the Eton ESP2100. Thanks to the following people for joining this server. The intro order is the same.
Queasy Plus.
There it is. Recon.
The M12.
And US Circle 100.
And that concludes the unboxing video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more content. That's it.